If you want to block specific websites on your child's phone using Google Family Link, this video shows you how to do it in minutes. Now keep in mind that website blocking works mainly in Google Chrome. Other browsers may not fully be restricted. Restriction mainly comes from their Google account. So let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to do is access your Google Family Link as a parent, and you can do this by downloading the Google Family Link application from the App Store. I have created a full video to show you how to set up and use Google Family Link to control your child's phone and Google accounts. You can click here to watch the video if you haven't yet set up Google Family Link for your child. But if you already do have the Google Family Link, you can open the Google Family Link application. If you want to access it without the application, you can also do that by simply opening your browser on your mobile phone or on your computer, and then in the search section, you want to search for Family Link. Now, since I already do have the application open, this will attempt to open the application. So I will long press and open in a new tab, swipe in this section, and you'll be able to access Google Family Link. If you don't have the application, simply tap and it will bring you here. Now, on anyone you want to make sure you are on control. On control, you have a special feature here for Google Chrome and web. Simply tap on this and you find several options here. You can allow all sites so your child can visit all sites, try to block explicit sites, or only allow approved sites. Now, when you choose only allow approved sites, they will always be requested to ask for your permission. If you scroll to the bottom here, you'll find approved sites and block sites. Approved sites, you find all the approved sites that your child can visit, and this is usually updated when you approve any site once. It will be added to this list. You can also tap on add site here to add a site. On block sites, you want to tap on add sites. You want to enter the URL of the website you want to block in this section, and this is quite easy to do. Let's say, for example, Facebook. You want to copy the URL of Facebook, you can copy everything or even copy the www.facebook.com. Once copied, you want to come here and paste the URL you just copied. Now tap on done in this section and the site will be added to the block sites. They will not be able to visit the site without your approval. And this is what happens when they try to visit a block site. Now when they open their browser and try to access Facebook, which is the blocked site, they'll be asked to request the parent's approval, which there are two options in this section. They can ask in person, which when they tap on this, you need to enter your parent's password to be able to access the site. And when they tap on try another way, they'll be requested for the parent access code. Now, if you're wondering how to get the parent access code, you can simply go back and then you want to tap on the profile icon, which is the ball profile icon at the top left corner of your screen here. Here you're going to see parent access code. The code only lasts for about 30 minutes. You can use it to access the site. That's one way to do that. You can also request another way, which is ask in a message. So when they tap on ask in a message here, you get a notification from the Google Family Link app. Simply drag down from your notification and then tap on the Google Family Link notification here. Here you want to tap on approve, and once you are done approving, they will now have access to visiting the web page. So that's how easy it is to block a website on Google Family Link. If you do find this video helpful, you can watch the next video on how to block apps in Google Family Link.